Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be showing you the best driving test route at Service NSW Port Macquarie in New South Wales. And right now I am at Service NSW Port Macquarie. So let's start driving now. Please watch this video at least 10 times without any mistake, and I'm sure you will get the driving license in one go itself. So we are coming out of the Service NSW office. So you need to take left, give the left indicator, and you are coming on the main road. Check the traffic on your right. So now you have to take left on the Lake Road. So this is a roundabout. You have to give way to the traffic on the right side. So check the traffic on the right side and then you can move to the left. So the school, it is a limit of 50 kilometer. So always keep checking your speed limit, don't overspeed, and keep looking your mirrors, rear view mirror and plus both the side mirrors, and be confident in driving. Don't get nervous. I know it is your first time, but still you have to be, look confident to the instructor. So keep driving straight. So there is a traffic light coming, so you have to go straight. Don't brake hard. You have to slow down when there is a red light, and don't stop very close to the other car. You must be able to see the rear wheels of the car in front of you. So now it is a green light, we will go straight. The instructor will give you instruction like go straight from this set of light, those kind of thing. You have to follow the instruction. Don't ask again what did you say, and so just note down what he is saying. Check the traffic on the left because there is a merge indicator. Keep going straight. This road is 50, and if you see there is a double line, it was previously there. You don't cross the double line. See, now again there is a double line. Don't cross the double line. So you just mark that this is a double line, and don't cross. You have to drive in your left side. So see the sign, there is a children sign, so you have to be very careful. Keep driving straight. So this is a pedestrian area. It's a 40 zone. So you have to, because this sign is saying there is a high pedestrian activity area, so you have to be slow down, and you should drive on 40. So it will be all the time, it will be 40, not in the school zone. This is a all the time 40 zone, so you have to be very careful when driving. If you overspeed, the instructor will disqualify you in the first attempt itself. Keep going straight. The area on the left side is not a driving lane, it is for the parking, so don't drive on the left side of the road. Keep going straight. Now the 50 area starts. So now you can increase the speed to 50. If you are too slow, that is also a problem. The instructor can fail you. So you have to be keeping the speed. Let's say it is 50, just you have to be around 45 to 50. That will be a good speed. So again, keep going straight. Always keep observing your mirrors and your speedometer, that you are driving at a proper speed, and look confident. So now we will take right on this roundabout. You have to give way to the traffic on your right. So give the right indicator and take right. So now you go straight from this roundabout. Again the same principle, you have to give way to the traffic on your right, and on the front turning right, sorry. So keep going straight. So he will ask you to change the lane. So for changing the lane, give the left indicator and then check the mirrors and the over the shoulder traffic. And now take left on this set of light, give the left indicator, and this is a red light camera, you have to be very careful. So keep going straight. This is unmarked road, so in such situation you have to driving towards the left side of the road. Don't drive toward the right of the road. So keep driving straight. Always check the pedestrian. So you have to be showing to the instructor that you are a responsible driver, you are concerned about the safety of you and safety of the pedestrian, anyone on the road. So from this traffic light we will go straight. And this is the school zone, so just make sure that your speed is 40 here. And he will say you that you park on the left of the road. Just give the left indicator, check the traffic behind you, and then you can park in your space. So like this you can park, and then after that you go to the parking and put up your brake. So you have pull up your handbrake and you said to the instructor that yes, I have parked. Now turn off the engine, and that's it. So you have done the curbside parking very nicely. So now you have done the curbside parking. The instructor will tell you let's move now, and start the engine, and take off your handbrake and put up in the drive mode, and check the traffic on your right, and check over the shoulder, check all the mirrors, and see one car is coming from my back. So I will be checking that. Just wait for that, give the right indicator, and slowly take out the vehicle from the parking, and then take left on the Clarence Street. So keep going straight, and this is the end of school zone. Now you can increase the speed, and mind it that school zone timings you have to be careful. You have to drive 40 only if it is a school zone time, otherwise not. And keep going straight, and he will be like bringing you in the busy area also. This is a market area, so it is a busy area. So keep going straight. Again keep going straight. So now you are approaching the pedestrian crossing. You have to be very careful. If there is any pedestrian, just stop the vehicle. Like I can see the pedestrian is coming. There is a small child coming with an adult. So you have to be very careful. Stop the vehicle, give the way to the pedestrian, then you can move on. So keep going straight. And take left on the Horton Street. So keep going straight, and this is a busy area, and you have to be careful if anyone is taking out his vehicle from the car parking on your right or left. So you have to be very careful. So you should be prepared in case of any kind of emergency. See, like this one, the car, red car was started moving out, so my foot came to the brake pedal. So now stop on this red light and we will go straight. So keep going straight. The speed should be here around 40 because this is a high pedestrian area. So keep going straight from this roundabout. Give the way to the traffic on your right. And now take left on this set of lights. So give the left indicator. And now it is my traffic light. I am turning left now. So you can't go straight. It is a red light for the other people. So keep going straight. And we will take right on this roundabout, so you have to change lane. So change the lane here, and now give the right indicator and give way to the traffic on your right. And just now you change the traffic, and speed is now 50. Keep going straight. And take left on this Gray Street. So this is the quiet street. So here you will be asked to perform the reverse side parking. So you have to prepare for the reverse parking here. So he will say park behind this black car. So park in the side of the car, give the left indicator, check all the mirrors, and now slowly take the vehicle to the back. Check all the mirror, keep checking and looking behind. Slowly and slowly, don't get nervous. Slowly, 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 and keep going back unless you can see the front wheel, and make sure that wheels are all straight. Put up the parking and then put up the parking brake, pull the hand brake, and then turn off the engine, tell the instructor that you have parked. So very nice, you have done the reverse parking very well. Now the instructor will be saying to you that now you can start moving. Turn on the engine and pull down the handbrake, and then you can start driving. Give the right indicator, check the all the mirrors, and just look over your shoulder, and then you can start driving. So in these kind of quiet street, the instructor can also ask you to go for a 3-point turn. So I will be showing you what we will be doing, a 3-point turn here. So behind this red car, so give the left indicator, keep the car towards the left, and firstly we will give the right indicator. Check the traffic, check all the mirrors, stop here, put up the reverse, and then check again all the mirrors, give the left indicator, slowly take the vehicle back, don't hit the curb, and now put up the drive, change the indicator to the right again, and slowly move the vehicle. Yes, that is, you have done 3-point turn. So when you are doing 3-point turn, make sure when you are reversing or you are moving the vehicle forward, you don't need to hit the curb. So on this one, take left on the Lake Road. So it is a busy road, you have to check the traffic on your right. And when you are turning, don't go on the other side of the road. So always your vehicle is on the left side of the road. So keep driving, and the speed is here 50 km. So keep going straight. This is again a 40 zone pedestrian crossing area. So in such high pedestrian activity area, so the rule is that you are concerned about the safety of the people on the road. So you should always drive at 40 at all the times. See, you can see that it is a 40 activity, high pedestrian activity area. On the road also you can see the marking, so don't cross over 40, otherwise you will straightaway fail in the exam. Keep going at 40 speed. Keep going straight. See, now you can see the 40 area end here, so it is now 50 zone. So now you can increase the speed to 50. Always be very soft on your accelerator. So don't do hard accelerator, just be soft, so that there is no jerk, anything, you know, the instructor should not feel that you are a unsafe driver. Keep going straight. And there is a double line, don't go on the other side. Keep going straight. And from this traffic light, go straight. Slow down, it is a red light, just slow down. So now it is a green light, so start driving. See, the left lane is merging, so you should check the traffic on your left side. Check the mirror, left one mirror. So you need to give way if any vehicle is approaching on your left side. So keep going straight. See, this is a koala zone, don't cross the 50. So keep going straight. So now he will say you to change the lane to right, give indicator, right indicator, check the traffic, check all the mirrors. And now from this roundabout, take right to the central road. So keep going straight. So now you have completed this driving test. You are returning back to the service NSW office. So he will ask you to take right on this Barton Crescent. And now give the right indicator and take the entry to the service NSW office. And you are back at service NSW office, Port Macquarie, and you can park at your parking space meant for the driving test people. And hooray, you have cleared the driving test. And I hope guys you enjoy this video, and if you have any question, just put it in your comments. I will be happy to answer. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. And I will suggest you just watch this video at least 10 times, and then after that practice this route for 10 times at least without any mistake, and you will get the driving license in one go. Thank you.